Okay, so it is a rainy day. It's been raining non-stop. And yeah, so I'm gonna go outside right now and show you the rain. Well, it's not raining really bad, but like it's sprinkling. So I'm gonna go outside right now. Okay, we'll open up the door. Okay, so okay. See? Look at that. Oh, I just heard thunder. Come on now. Looks like it's starting to rain hard, yo. Well, I guess it's like really rainy out here. Like for real. I want it to stop raining. So yeah. Just go back inside. So yeah, it's really windy. Rainy. So whatever, but yeah. It should really stop raining. Cause the rain is starting to get really boring now. So I'll probably put up another video. Oh yeah, and about that Vegas talk video. I mean, I'm going to Vegas on Friday. Yeah, on Friday, and I'm coming back on Saturday. So So yeah. So I'll see you then. Smiles out.